Hey there, Björkman Benediktsson from Audio Issues here, author of Step-by-Step Mixing, How to Create Great Mixes Using Only 5 Plugins. As always, I'm here to help you confidently finish your mixes so that you can be proud to release your records. Please remember to like and subscribe, and if you want to take it a step further and get my 7-step mix translation cheat sheet that helps you make all of your mixes sound great on any speaker you play them through, go to mixfinisher.com and download it there. All right, let's get into the video. All right, so I got a super quick delay trick. I wouldn't necessarily call it a trick. It's more like maybe a way of thinking. I'm working on Better Friends, or the song Anna by Better Friends, and there's this lead guitar track that sounds cool, and I'm trying to do, because there's not a lot of tracks in this particular song. So I'm trying to create a bigger mix by doing some parallel processing and things of that nature. And one of the ways that I tend to widen a guitar track like that is with the delay. So like this is the standard, this is the dry track. Alright, so with this delay, so I put this mono delay on here, panned it on the other side, so you'll hear it on the other side of the spectrum. So that's one way to create width, and obviously to create some movement, but depending on which, so you want to ask yourself, like, what kind of delay are you looking for? An eighth note, a quarter note, a dotted, a triplet one, whatever. And what I've found to be helpful is to listen to the rest of the rhythm tracks. In this case, there's only these percussion tracks here. And so you can hear what that percussion track is doing, and then you can maybe try to figure out how to have that delay play along with the rest of the rhythm in the track to create maybe a bigger, better movement, maybe to create a more exciting rhythm. So it needs to be, needs to fit in, and it shouldn't clash, especially when you're trying to create a rhythm that's moving. You might, in some cases, you might want to do the opposite. But in this case, I'm trying to get it all to groove together so it kind of flows the song forward. And so that's here. Let's listen to the 2 shaker and tambourine tracks here. So this quarter note dotted is pretty groovy, and just listen how it changes the rhythm when I change the actual delay here. So the triplet definitely doesn't work. It kind of moves against the rhythm, makes it sound pretty annoying. So if you didn't think about which division or which note division you should pick, you might think that delays are not great, and they should just clash along with the rest of the rhythm. But take some time to check which division of the note fit the best with the flow of the rhythm. So let's go through it. I think the quarter note dotted that I had originally is the best, but I also thought that the eighth note dotted was kind of cool too, and the quarter note in general. There's just a different accent on the delay of the guitar there that created a completely different rhythm. So let's listen to the quarter note and the quarter note dotted, and then let's do the half note and maybe the eighth note and see how that changes. So the eighth note dotted also moves against the rhythm, and then the quarter note. I like that because it kind of flows in between all the rest of the percussion. And then let's see, half note triplet. Doesn't work. So I like that a lot. And let's check out eighth notes here. Yeah, I think I like the quarter note dotted the most. Either the quarter note dotted or the quarter note. So think about that next time you're selecting your delays and adding space, both delays to, you know, the left side of the mix to add width to something that's on the right side of the, or to the right side of the mix to something that's on the left side of the mix. And then go through the note divisions and see which one makes the mix and the song flow better. All right, that's it for today. Thank you. Bye. Oh, and use your ears.